Find the value of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6. If s is 0, so here first case 1, s is 0 and the polynomial is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So see, the value of s is 0. So just substitute wherever we have like s, in place of s substitute 0. 7 times 0 square minus 4 times 0 plus 6. Then 0 square is 0, 4 into 0 is 0 plus 6. 7 into 0 is 0 minus 0 plus 6. So the value of the quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6 at s equals 0 is 6. Second one, at s equals minus 3. So the polynomial is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. 7 into minus 3 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 6. So minus 3 whole square is 9. 7 because minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 into 3, it's 9. So 7 into 9 minus into minus plus 12 plus 6. 7 times 9. 7 9s 63 plus 12 plus 6. So 63 plus 12, that is 75. 75 plus 6, there is nothing but 81. So the value of the polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6, if s is minus 3, the value is 81. Next, the third one. If s is 4, polynomial is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So now here it s is equal to 4. So wherever we have like s, just substitute the value of 4. Then 7 into 4 square, 4 into 4 plus 6. 4 square is 16. 4 into 4, 16 plus 6. So here, see, 4 square is 16. 4 into 4, 16 plus 6. Now, 7 into 16. So 7 times 16, 70 plus 42, 112. Minus 16 plus 6. So 112 plus 6, 118 minus 16. So it is nothing but 102. 102.